This Learn module covers how to identify abnormal time series data with Anomaly Detector. In this exercise, we'll be collecting real-time data from a smart device, then sending the data to the cloud using Azure's IoT Hub. And finally, we'll be using the Anomaly Detector API service to find unusual data patterns. To begin, we'll be using the Microsoft Learn environment to create Azure resources needed to complete the exercises in this module. First, we'll build a solution that uses the pre-trained Azure Anomaly Detector model on real-time IoT streams. Next, you'll learn how to train and evaluate a custom anomaly detector model using your unique time series data. And finally, we'll visualize the results to find the root cause of an anomaly when you have more than one variable or metric in your data set.